guys! For this video, I want to share with you 5 things most people overlook when it comes to reviewing their insurance proposal. Okay? The number one thing that most people overlook is the coverage. So, hindi porket mura, hindi porket mahal, dapat yun na yung basis mo to get a plan. So, you also have to check how much is it worth? Is it worth until age 88, age 100, or age 70? Most term plans will only cover you until age 70. Our VUL is until age 88, and we also have age 100. So, for example, dito sa my own personal plan, if you can see, I got it way 2008 pa. And it covers me until 2074, which is age 88 na ako nun. So, it's a pretty long time for me to be covered. So, I would feel that mas sulit siya. Kasi, mas lower yung risk na ma-outlive ko yung plan. So, I would be parang more confident na by the time na mauuna akong mamatay than the plan. So, yun. So, depende rin sa yung lifespan ng family nyo. If you think 88 is long enough for you, then you can opt for 88 or 100. Pero huwag masyadong 70. Masyado pang maaga mamatay ng 70 years old. Okay? Number 2 that most people overlook is the charges. So, does it mean mababa yung binayad mo? It means mababa yung charges? What charges means is that how much of what you pay for goes to charges, and then the balance of it goes to the investment portion. So, kapag maliit yung napupunta sa investment portion, meaning mas malaki yung charges. So, kunya sabihin natin nagpasok ka ng 6,000, but the charges are sabihin natin 5,000. So, 1,000 lang yung mapupunta sa investment mo. So, every time you ask for a proposal, hindi mo naman kailangan talaga bilangin lahat. Huwag din tayong sobrang mabilang. We always have to look for the benefits more than the cost. Pero still, you have to check or parang look at the proposal, and dapat transparent yung charges niya. So, dapat makita mo magkano ba talaga yung binabawas sa plan mo at magkano yung mapupunta sa fund value. Okay? Number 3 that most people overlook is the payment period. So, okay, mura nga siya. But if you're gonna pay until age, sabihin natin until age 100, then it's a thing that you must consider. So, hindi naman talaga technically bad yung longer period kung kailangan mo naman talaga yung insurance coverage. So, pag ibang tao, kailangan talaga nila ng insurance but they can only spend this much. So, isa-stretch natin yung payment. So, for example, in my case, yung dati kong kinuha, yung payment period ko is until 20 years. So, you have to consider how much ba talaga yung commitment na kailangan mong bayaran. So, if you're looking after retirement naman, so it's also good that you pay continuously kasi as long as you're working, you should be setting aside money for your retirement and for your savings. Okay? Number 4 that most people overlook is the death benefit. Alam nila, sabihin nila yung face amount, ganyan-ganyan. Face amount doesn't mean yun yung death benefit. So you have to be very careful with that. So for example, for this plan, I got actually a 500,000 coverage nung 22 years old pa ako. But if you can see the death benefit, they add the 500,000 plus the fund value. So actually, hindi lang siya either or. May iba kasing plans either or, either of the two, whichever is higher. So, but for our plan, it is the fund value plus the guaranteed death benefit. So, you have to be very careful with that. So, minsan mura nga siya, but yung death benefit actually one of the higher lang. It's good then that we consider na ma-maximize natin yung mapupunta sa family natin na walang tapon. Okay? Number 5 is that we also have to be very careful with the add-ons. So, for example, for this plan, like if you can see, meron siyang add-on na critical illness benefit. So, if we add on anything, it might change our plan, even the payment period natin. So, for our case, even if 10 years lang yung actual plan, but if you add a health rider, it will continue until age 70. So, you have to be very careful with that kasi you might be committed to something na akala mo 10 years lang, but meron pa palang babayaran beyond the 10 years because you have an add-on. It will also affect your fund value and your charges. So, you have to be critical about that too. So, hindi lang porket kung ano yung kinash out mo, yun na yun. Dapat, you have to be critical too. So you have to really ask your advisor how it will affect your plan. Okay? Anyway, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. I just want to say thank you. And I hope that I'm able to help you in any way, especially dun sa mga nagsha-shop and comparing yung policies. Kung hindi ko man kita matulungan directly, sana this will help you enlighten and makompare mo talaga thoroughly kung ano yung pinapasukan mo. And syempre, it really helps with the help of an advisor because we are the ones who could really understand the terms and the fine print. So, as long as you find someone na trust mo, she will be able to help you show the pros and the cons of what you're getting into. So, choose your advisor wisely then, di ba? The product, the company, and the advisor. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!